Hello, my name is Saiyyam Kochar and I'll be presenting the final demo for Team 5's project for Computer Science 325. The problem which we decided to solve via project was as follows. The current process of selecting classes on our university software Spire for an upcoming semester goes as follows. Decide what requirements you need to meet for that semester, consult the course offerings for that semester, use the Spire shopping cart and course search to select individual classes, then manually compare times and sections for compatibility. Then once the card is full, generate a full schedule. Obviously, this process is super flawed. First of all, it is very difficult to get a full picture of your class options when scrolling through a single long list. The process of moving a single class in your shopping cart can take as many as a dozen clicks and 4 or more pages and multiple field entries. Manually comparing times, locations, and sections can be extremely difficult since the information is spread over separate pages and conflicts are hard to pick out without generating a schedule. Our solution is a user-friendly third-party schedule building plugin for our software Spire. It helps you choose your classes and pick desired time schedules super fast with just a few clicks. It also provides a ready feedback when you're trying to set up a schedule for the next semester, unlike Spire. Also, the best part, if you're too busy to pick one for yourselves, the software generates a perfectly timed schedule for you. The only thing you have to do is to choose the classes that you want to take the next semester, and that's about it. Our software does everything for you. Hi, our schedule building software is what we believe is a helpful third-party plugin for Spire, which can help students figure out their class schedules with ease and super quick. And now I'm going to demonstrate the 3 features we worked on during this class. When you initially start the software, you will be presented with a login screen. You put up your credentials like I just did, and then you click on login. Now, I'm going to choose some classes that I want to take the next semester. In this case, I'm going to choose Computer Science 121, Comp Sci 383, and Data Binding. Then I'm going to click Continue. Now, the user will be presented with a screen where they have the picked classes on the left side and an empty schedule on the right side. The user can click on the class and the available section timings gets highlighted on the schedule, and they can pick their desired timing with ease. I'm going to do the same with Computer Science 121. And here, as you can see, the desired timings get highlighted. Now I can pick one of the timings and my class gets initiated. After you choose your classes, our first feature comes into action, which is that when you plug in the first class onto your schedule for the next semester, our software will tell you what classes in your shopping cart have time conflicts with your initially chosen class, in this case, Computer Science 121. As in, if the class turns red, this means that particular class has no sections available whose timings do not conflict with the initially chosen class. The ready feedback makes it easier for the user to understand what's going on, unlike the current Spire's implementation for choosing classes. Well, we have a time conflict with Computer Science 387 right here. That's okay. The second feature we developed helps to counter this problem as well. With just a few clicks, you can easily swap out the initial class in your time schedule with any other class in your shopping cart, just like I'm going to do with Computer Science 121 and another section of Computer Science 383. So I click on Computer Science 121, and then I'll be presented with the pop-up screen. I click on swap class, and then I'm going to choose a section for Computer Science 383. I'm going to pick this one, and then I'm click continue. And then I'll just say yes. Now, as you can see, the class has been swapped, but unfortunately, CS387 still has no sections we could choose which do not conflict with the initially chosen class, in this case, 383. Now, when we are presented with this case, our third and last feature comes into action. If you click on the green shuffle button on the bottom left of the screen, the software uses an algorithm which by itself analyzes the available sections for all classes in your time schedule to output a perfect schedule for the user involving all the available sections. Now that's about it. And that's all we had to show today. Thank you so much. And this is Team 5 for Computer Science 325.